Today, we get to know computer and inside of computer. I have 6 topics. First, what is computer? What is computer? Computer is a set of electronic device that can be used to process data according to various procedures that have been previously formulated so that it can provide very useful information for its user. The word computer itself is taken from Latin, namely computere, which means to calculate. Generally, a computer consists of several main elements: hardware, which includes RAM, a processor, hard disk, a CPU, and a motherboard. Then there's a software, namely the operating system and various applications installed on the hardware to enable it to function according to user commands. The final element of a computer is the user or brainware, the computer user or operator. Computer function divide to 5 functions. First, data input. Computer machines are able to receive information or data from other source originating from your site via the keyboard, mouse, or from other computers and other equipment. Second, data processing. Perform data processing so that it can produce output in the form of information. Data processed in a computer is available in the form of image, text, audio, graphics, etc. Third, data output. In order to provide output result after going through various data processing process, this information can then be presented using a monitor, printer, and also speaker. Fourth, data storage. A place to store data so that it can be easily found and used by the user. This data can then be stored in the computer's memory or in external storage. Last, data movement. Another function of a computer is to be able to transfer data from one computer to another computer or various other output device. Next, type of computer. Type of computer divide to 4. First, PC or personal computer. This type of computer is typically found in homes, shops, office, and other personal settings. It's designed to meet individual needs only. Its primary function is to manage simple input and output data according to user needs. Second, server computer. A server computer is a type of computer specifically designed to provide service to other devices over the internet. Specifically, the server computer have powerful processor and can handle a large amount of power from RAM to hard drive to other device. Third, hybrid computer. This is a type of computer specifically designed by its manufacturer to operate quantitatively or qualitatively. Their computers are often used to control robots or machines. Last, computer laptop. Laptops are an evolution of desktop computer, with everything from the keyboard, CPU, and monitor being smaller. Laptops combine everything into single device, making them easy to carry. Next, how computers work. First, input. All types of digital data in bit format can enter the computer through various input devices such as keyboards, mouse, microphone, etc. Next, processing. The data has been entered will be processed through the CPU, central processing unit, processing device on the computer. Next, memory or storage. Your computer probably stores all your documents and files on a hard drive, a huge magnetic memory. Output. Your computer probably has an LCD screen capable of displaying high-resolution, very detailed graphics, and probably also stereo speaker. Number 4, CPU. Inside the computer. What is CPU? The CPU, or Central Processing Unit, is the main component of the computer that performs specific tasks so your device can operate according to the commands entered. Its specific role to process data received from other components such as memory, the operating system, application program, etc. Data is processed using mathematically accurate arithmetic and logic principles, resulting in accurate result. CPU function It can be perform basic computational operation such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, comparison, and bitwise operation. Next, respond to comments after executing a calculated operation, and then write a program or application according to the comment response. Next, communication media between components and maintaining performance between them remains synchronized and optimal. Last, coordinates data flow between the CPU, memory, and other supporting components. How CPU works? First, fetching. The CPU captures instructions sent from RAM, random access memory. Second, decoding. The instruction then pass through the control unit to determine the action to be complete for each stored data item. Third, executing. Information passed through the ALU component and the execution stage occur according to the instruction sent. Last, storing back. Once a piece of information has been processed, the result will be stored in memory before the CPU receive instruction again from other components. 5. RAM and storage. The difference between RAM and storage is definition. RAM functions to store short-term data, including information or instruction being read or written by the computer so that it can be easily accessed by the CPU. When you turn on the laptop or computer, RAM is used. Storage can refer to electronic device that store digital data. Storage device use magnetic or optical media to store information and data. The main type of storage memory device include hard drive, RAM, solid-state drive, flash drive, and cloud storage. Function. RAM acts as a short-term memory device actively used by CPU process information. Immediately, RAM is where running program and the operating system are stored while the computer is running. Storage refers to long-term storage, both temporary and permanent. Storage refers to any type of hardware used to store application, operating system, documents, and digital content indefinitely. Storage. The operating system or program such as a web browser or MS Office are stored in RAM so they can be quickly accessed by the CPU. RAM modules are memory chips that store data and instructions that the CPU must process. Before the CPU begins processing data, RAM quickly loads it. Storage is hardware connected to a computer via network to store data. This device typically uses magnetic or optical media to store information or data. Last, performance. RAM plays a crucial role in desktop or laptop computer. For memory management, RAM affects computer speed because every task processed by the CPU is stored as code in RAM. Therefore, the larger the RAM, the faster the processing speed. Unlike RAM, the size of the storage device will not affect the computer performance or speed of accessing application. Having more storage simply allows you to store more documents on your laptop or device. Last, another component, hardware, or what you might call hard device, is a type of computer component that can be seen with the naked eye and has the physical form that can be held or touched. Computer hardware is further divided into 4 parts: input device, output device, processing device, and storage device. Example of this type of computer component include keyboard, mouse, microphone, headphone, printer, monitor, scanner, flash disk, etc. Second, software. Unlike hardware, software is a computer component that cannot be seen with the naked eye. However, make no mistake, software plays a crucial role in a computer's ability to execute all commands or instructions entered into your computer's hardware. Some examples of computer components that fall under this category of software are system software, web browser, audio player software, video player software, image processing software, and antivirus software. Last, brainware. The final computer component is brainware. Brainware, or what you call the brains, is what operates the computer. In other words, the computer user. So you can see the brainware is also important because it's the device that powers the computer. Thank you. That's all from me to explain the computer and exotic computer. Thank you for paying attention. Bye bye.